Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here tetramethylbenzene is given. You have to know the compound can give how many number of signals in the proton NMR spectroscopy. It's the common practice that before analyzing the number of signal, you have to know any mirror plane present inside the molecule or not, because the mirror plane reduces the number of signals. By looking at blindly, you might commit a mistake. Compound don't have any plane of symmetry, but if you rotate it, the compound will have one mirror plane of symmetry, which is on the middle of the molecule. So it will reflect the atom each other. The mirror plane means the atoms on the opposite side will have same chemical shape because it is magnetically equivalent. So it has only three signals, which is A, B, C. Due to the plane of symmetry inside the molecule, the compound has only three signals. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.